channel. So today's video is going to be about Lash Tech must-haves. I have a couple items that I want to share with you guys today that you guys might want to go and buy because they definitely make a difference when I'm completing my sets, and I definitely want you guys to know about them. So yeah, why not? If you guys do like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have anything specific you do want to see, please comment below. But yeah, let's get right into it. The Nano Mister gives off a mist that allows the adhesive to attach to the natural lash and crystallize. This maximizes retention, and your client can also wash their lashes after 8 hours rather than 24. This also helps reduce irritation to the fumes. Acetone is great for removing adhesive off your tweezers. I put it in a small container, let it sit for 10 seconds, and the adhesive comes right off. This is not a cleanser. My fan is something I use with every client. This helps reduce irritation your client may have to the adhesive. I use this during and after every application. If you don't have a fan, I suggest you go out and buy one because it is absolutely necessary. Here's one of my students using the portable fan. Barbicide is a high-level grade disinfectant solution that every single lash tech or anyone in the beauty industry must have. As lash techs, barbicide is very important because our main focus is our client's eyes. I love this pillow because it fits your client's head perfectly so they can lay comfortably. It also has pockets on both sides for your tweezers and your other lash tools. As you can see here, our client is laying very comfortably.